Today I'm going to show you 6 ways to flavour your yogurt without using fresh fruits. I'll be using some pretty standard pantry staples to make this homemade yogurt a little bit more interesting and exciting. First up, we'll make a mocha flavoured yogurt. Mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with half a teaspoon of instant coffee granules, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and some maple syrup, honey, or sweetener of choice to taste. Top with some grated chocolate or a dusting of cocoa powder. For a simple chocolate yogurt, mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla paste, and some maple syrup, honey, or your sweetener of choice to taste. Again, finish with some grated chocolate. Next up, we've got a carrot cake yogurt. Mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with a quarter of a cup of finely grated carrot, 1 teaspoon of raisins, a quarter of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and your sweetener of choice. Top with a tablespoon of crushed walnuts. For a Nutella yogurt, simply mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt and 1 to 2 tablespoons of Nutella. We've got a great recipe for a homemade version, so check that out here. Next, we'll do a peanut butter yogurt. Mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. We've also got a great recipe for a homemade peanut butter. A quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla paste and your sweetener of choice. Finally, we'll make a hazelnut chocolate yogurt. Mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with 2 teaspoons of cacao powder, a quarter of a cup of crushed hazelnuts, and your sweetener of choice. Garnish with some more crushed hazelnuts, some grated chocolate, or some cacao nibs. So there's 6 simple ways for you to get creative with your homemade yogurt. None of it's complicated, but sometimes you just need a couple of good ideas. There's plenty more of these ideas for flavouring your yogurt on our blog, so do check that out. And in the comments section below, let us know what you're doing with yours. The more ideas, the better. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another video.